alongside Pranab Mukherjee, which famous singer from Assam was posthumously awarded India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, in the year 2019? And the answer is Bhupen Hazarika. Scientists in Bangladesh have developed an alternative to plastic bags, cellulose sheet bag made with jute fibers. What name have they given to this alternative? And the answer is Sonali. Apricots are not native to India, and yet there is a popular Hyderabadi dessert made from apricots which was created by the royals as it needed the fruit to be imported. What is the dish called? And the answer is Banika Mita. What is the Roman numeral equivalent for the number 0? And the answer is does not exist. There is a theory that the universe will come to an end when its ever-increasing rate of expansion causes all matter to basically fly apart. What is the term applied to this theory? And the answer is the Big Rip. What is Sattriya? And the answer is the dance form. What kind of animal is the flying fox? And the answer is bat. Which European capital city was built on a group of floating islands? And the answer is Stockholm. The Indian state of Nagaland was formed in 1963. Which state was it a part of earlier? And the answer is Assam. Which of these wireless technology derived its name from a 10th century Viking king? And the answer is Bluetooth. Taipei is the capital of Singapore. True or false? And the answer is false. Who was the founder of the Bose Corporation? And the answer is Amar Bose. Which science fiction writer is credited with penning down the 3 laws of robotics? And the answer is Isaac Asimov. The world's coldest inhabited place is the village Oymyakon, which records -68 degrees centigrade is located at. And the answer is Russia. The pinna is the outer area of which human body part? And the answer is ear. Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia is a well-known name in the classic music genre. Which instrument does he play? And the answer is flute. Akshay Kumar's new film is inspired by true events of ISRO's Mars Orbiter mission, which was launched in 2030. What is the film called? And the answer is Mission Mangal. BSE SENSEX is a commonly known term in the stock market. What does SENSEX stands for? And the answer is sensitive index. Starting 1st December 2019, an electronic toll payment facility will be mandatory on all national highway toll lanes. What is it called? And the answer is FASTag. Which traditional theatrical dance form, which originated in Kerala, means performing or playing together? And the answer is Kodiyattam. Watch our other videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will answer it in next Q&A video. Please support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.